Hey there, YouTube! Want to see what an AI-powered news channel looks like? Check out this 30-second preview of what you'll be able to create by the end of this tutorial.
The plant, aptly named carbon sponge, possesses an unparalleled ability to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Lead researcher Dr. Emma Green explains, "We've never seen anything like this before. The carbon sponge can absorb CO2 at a rate 50 times higher than any other known plant species."
Pretty amazing, right? Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how to make your own. First things first, let's set up your YouTube account. If you don't have one already, head over to youtube.com and click on Sign In. Follow the instructions to create a new account with your Google account, and you'll be ready to go in no time. Now that you've got your account set up, let's talk about why AI is a game changer for news channels. With AI tools, you can create engaging, informative news videos without ever picking up a camera. Imagine the actual costs of traditional news, and you will understand the value. Before we dive into the tech stuff, let's find some news stories to cover. Check out Google News to see what's trending. Look for stories that are interesting, relevant, and have some meat to them. Jot down a few ideas, and we'll come back to them later. All right, now it's time to put your writing hat on. Fire up ChatGPT or another AI writing tool and feed it with the news articles you have gathered. The more articles about the same news story, the better. Tell it that we want a voiceover script for news and ask it to begin with a punchy headline, then break your story down into an intro, main points, and a conclusion. Ask it to use short sentences and keep it conversational. Now, for the fun part, let's make some movie magic. Log in to your Syntheses account and get ready to explore. This is where you'll bring your news stories to life. Every great newscaster needs a face and a place. In the avatars section, pick a digital anchor that matches your vibe. Make sure to choose an appropriate outfit and a face that looks like a newscaster. Then, head over to Backgrounds and choose a setting that suits your story. It's time to make your avatar talk. Paste your script into the text section and choose a voice that fits the style of a newscaster. You should aim for something professional and calm. Export your video, grab a cup of coffee, and let AI work its magic. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. It's time to share your creation with the world. Head back to YouTube and click Upload Video. While it's processing, craft an eye-catching title and description packed with relevant keywords. Choose a thumbnail that demands to be clicked, and hit that Publish button. Drumroll, please! Let's take a look at the incredible AI-generated news video you've just learned how to create. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the full 2-minute masterpiece.
In an astonishing breakthrough, a team of international scientists has discovered a new species of plant that could be the key to fighting climate change. The plant, aptly named carbon sponge, possesses an unparalleled ability to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Lead researcher Dr. Emma Green explains, "We've never seen anything like this before. The carbon sponge can absorb CO2 at a rate 50 times higher than any other known plant species. It's a true marvel of nature." The discovery was made in the dense rainforests of the Amazon, where the plant thrives in the humid, shaded undergrowth. Scientists believe that the carbon sponge's unique leaf structure and vast root network are responsible for its extraordinary carbon-absorbing properties. The implications of this finding are immense. Experts suggest that cultivating carbon sponge plants on a large scale could significantly reduce atmospheric CO2 levels, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. Dr. Green and her team are now working on a plan to propagate the plant and introduce it to suitable habitats around the world. "We have a long way to go, but this discovery gives us hope," she says. "With the carbon sponge on our side, we may just have a fighting chance against climate change." As the world grapples with the urgent need to address the climate crisis, the carbon sponge offers a glimmer of hope. This remarkable plant could be the ally we need in the battle to protect our planet for future generations.
Wow, that was something else. You now have all the tools and knowledge you need to create your own AI-powered news channel. Keep exploring syntheses, experimenting with new formats, and refining your craft. The future of news is in your hands, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy broadcasting.